Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the fundamentals of Python programming, helping you develop a solid foundation to build upon. We'll explore key concepts, learn how to write simple programs, and gain practical experience in using Python for various tasks. By the end of this video, you will be equipped to start your journey in Python programming. Using comments in Python. What are comments? Comments in Python are lines of codes that are ignored by the interpreter. They are written for humans, acting as annotations to explain the code, making it easier to understand, maintain, and debug. How to write comments? In Python, comment begin with a hash symbol. Anything after the hash symbol on that line is considered as a comment and is ignored by the interpreter. You can write single line comment or multi-line comments using triple quotes. Executing commands in Python. First, interactive mode. In interactive mode, you type command directly into the Python interpreter and it executes them immediately, showing the results. The second is script mode. In script mode, you write Python code in a file, save it with .py extension, and then execute the entire script by running the file. Importing packages in Python. What are packages? Packages are collections of Python modules that provide reusable code for common tasks. They extend the functionality of Python and make it easier to solve complex problems. Importing packages. Use the import keyword followed by the package name to import a package. You can import specific package modules from a package using the from keyword. Example, to import math package, you would write import math. To import the square root function only from the math package, you would write from math import sqrt. Getting into Python. Reading files. Use the open function to open a file in the read mode. R. You can write You can then use the read function to read the entire file or use a loop to read by line. User input. Use the input function to get user input from the console. The input is read as a string. You may need to convert it into another data type. Saving output in Python. Saving to files. Use the open function to open a file in a write mode W or append mode A. Write data to file. Write data to the file using the write function. Close the file using the close function. Printing to console. Use the print function to display output on the console. It can be used to display strings, numbers, variables, or other objects. Accessing records and variables in Python. Data structures. Python provides various data structures to store and organize data, such as lists, dictionaries, and sets. Each has its own strengths and uses. Second is variables. Variables are used to store values in memory. You can assign values to variables using the equal to operator, the assignment operator. Third, accessing elements. You can access elements in lists and dictionaries using their index or key, respectively. Setting up graphics in Python. First of all, you need to choose a library. Select a graphics library like Matplot library, which is also known as Matplotlib, Plotly, or Seaborn to create visualization and charts. Second, create a figure and access. Use library functions to create a figure, which is the main container for your plot, and access, which define the coordinate system of the plot. Third, plot data. Add your data to the plot function. Plot using functions like plot for lines, scatter for points, or hist for histograms. Fourth, customize and display adjust labels, titles, colors, and other plot properties. Then use the show function to display the plot. Debugging techniques. First, print statements. Insert print statements strategically throughout the code to display the values of variables and track the execution flow. Second, debugger. Use a debugger tool to step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and identify the source of errors. Error messages. Pay close attention to the error messages as they provide valuable clues about the cause of the problem. Online resources. Search online or for solutions to common errors or for help with specific debugging challenges. Next step and resources. Congratulations, you have taken the first step into the world of Python programming. Keep practicing, explore different aspects of language, and don't hesitate to ask for help or consult online resources. Remember, learning to code is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to programming goals.